Okay guys, we're going to change our old furnace filter because this is winter coming back again. We have to find the old filter from the furnace in between the blower and between the blower and the furnace. As you can see, this 3M. See, so dirty. See, and I bought a new one, same as that one, and then I put the date October 12, 2020. Now I have to same as one thing I did. You have to put some tape, so easy to pull it out when you change it. You have to put the tape this, and see the difference. This is the old one and the new one. Don't forget to put the tape in between the box of the frame. What I'm talking about is the frame. See, I'm putting a tape, Scotch tape. So next time you change, you can easy to pull it. See? Okay guys, it's very easy. As you can see the difference. Now I have to put it back. See that thing? Put it back there. As you can see, you have to be careful. You have to follow the arrow. The arrow is going to should be directed to the furnace, because the airflow is, this is the backflow of that. Okay, put it like that, and then the tape there. Put the lid. There's a lid on it. Okay. Like that. See, you can see it's easy. And that's it guys. Okay, thank you. See you for my next video. Bye.